Manipuri Sahitya Parishad celebrates its 84th Foundation Day. Minister Karam Sham promises to allot land for construction of hall for writers' rendezvous. Members of MPCC, including National Chief of All India Congress Sevadal Lalji Desai, take out protest rally, alleged BJP government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi of massive corruption. And the Olympic Day run held at the courtyard of Olympic Bhavan in Malampag Sports Complex today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipuri Sahitya Parishad celebrated its 84th Foundation Day and also held its 83rd annual meeting today at Maharaj Chandrakriti Auditorium in Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Revenue Minister Karam Sham has announced to allot land for construction of a meeting hall for organizations like Sahitya Parishad and other writers' forum in the state. He also said the writers play significant roles in bringing innovative changes in the society. Karam Sham asserted it is high time to pen down and enlighten the public on all the issues which were not written about earlier. He emphasized on the need to write courageously about various political limitations and consequences of various movements initiated by underground outfits. The minister further appeals to leave behind the habit of unpunctuality prevalent in the state and the inability to stand unitedly. Taking part in the event, Director of Art and Culture Aribam Shivdas Sarma stated that a draft for cultural policy and film policy of the state is ready. He appeals for public opinion on the same to ensure implementation of the policy at the earliest. 2017 Sahitya Academy awardees Rajan Toijamba, K. Krishna Mohan and W. Jugendro, as well as many individuals who have contributed immensely to Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, were felicitated on the occasion. A seminar on Sahitya, Folklore, Amasung Performing Arts, Tamami Tariba Chingmi Tamigi Mari, was also conducted at the event.
Ithopang ngamdaba pot khara leini idabadi yatra koi ran ti tawriba singsi ya choiba aswanga am thona phana ibagi tungda kariya ko ya ge sira sira changa change adi maduna moide waklon inot pi aran bor su thinna ta pangamba sumba laik singje hoji am thona phana ibagi tangai phadaba lay ai ba singi quietly talk to the guy who was sick. I quite not some of the article Mayam by, like Shupai, cover covers the report Mayam Shupai. I quite what is the motivation of a billion. I do never quit young Dakar.
Members of MPCC, including National Chief of All India Congress Sevadal Lalji Desai, took out protest rally against the BJP government, alleging of massive corruption being practiced under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP National President Amit Shah today. Members of MPCC, namely Ensui Mahila Congress, Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee, Sevadal and other frontal organizations of the Congress Party, took out the rally from Congress Bhavan to Shamu Makhong, chanting various slogans against the same. Addressing media persons, Lalji Desai alleged that a week after demonetization, Amit Shah deposited 745 crore rupees at Ahmedabad District Cooperative Bank. He questioned the source of this huge amount of money and maintained that huge scam is being carried out by the BJP leaders.
He was the chief minister in Gujarat. They had made 17 scam. And Amit Shah was behind all the scam. Amit Shah, during the demonetization in first 7 days, they deposited 745 crore rupees in ADC, Ahmedabad District Cooperative Bank. They forced people to do queue and many people die because of the demonetization. And ultimately, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi and the BJP leaders, they got a lot of money. They made a lot of money out of it. So it was like a big national scam. I think biggest scam ever in India. They become a rich. Amit Shah got his 81% income increase in 1 year. I mean, where we have this kind of incomes, what kind of income sources they have, they need to declare.
Manipur Pollution Control Board MPCB has announced penalty to all the shops and business establishments which defy the prohibition order against polythene carry bags below 50 microns under Section 15 of the Environment Protection Act 1986 from August this year. A team of MPCB confiscated all plastic bags with thickness less than 50 microns found selling, used and littered in and around Khairamban market during a drive today. Taking part in the drive, Chairman of MPCB Laishram Radhakishore said, as part of awareness against these non-biodegradable plastics, since the beginning of June, confiscation of plastics polybags below 50 micron will be carried out across the state till the end of this month. However, starting from August, fine of ₹1 lakh and up to 5 years imprisonment will be imposed to anyone found using or selling plastic carry bags less than 50 microns. Asserting that plastics above 50 microns are recyclable, but it still poses a threat to environment, Radhakishore mentioned that anyone selling plastic polythene bags above 50 microns should register themselves at MPCB and pay ₹4,000 each month. At the same time, give timely report on use and sale of the products. The chairman of MPCB strictly warned of equal punishment even to those selling plastics above 50 microns in the event of violating the set regulations.
Hojik Chathari driver say, Junta Sida, Manipur Pumbada, Manipur district, upon Bakoi Cabares on a Chacharaga, I quite August Hadagidi, Chapchana Masi Aini Matung in a quite fee on a fine yona, Masiki than the yona quite packet again. Mayam Masida Tingbu, Mayam Masi support of you, Natrabadi, Manipur Hyper State, the Sigi Amatanga, Loktak let pollution Togani, Che Sinagani, Che Natragasu, Quilam, the Masida Toko Potok, Kongnagi OBI, Ligi OBI, a Quilam the Masigi, indigenous Oba, small scale industry, Heidi group touching, Makal Karale, I quite 100 PB Abamating. Masida Sakari Maketaki Honori, plastic industry say a quite Tohulu, Toba di Maram Chana Toholo Havani, Ting Benate, Aduga, Masiki Hut Chingadoriba, Papergi Morueva, industry and my quite Lingana Honore, Mase Hose Hojisu tile part, Amal lady, Karahana promoter over Karahana Masida Quagaming, I take Mating Pigani, Lonana, Kanagumba, interested person sing Leragadi, Atoba, business, Amoina Toguaba, a quake Saitagi, Mayam Tobu and appeal to
Northeast India Development Party (NIDP) in a press release stated that one of the goals of the party is to completely eliminate consumption and circulation of drugs and narcotic substances from the state. The party also drew the attention of the government and authorities concerned to award death penalty to all those involved in circulation of drugs without further delay. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union has demanded immediate cease of harassment allegedly by some self-proclaimed vehicle owners towards drivers along National Highway No. 2, Imphal-Dimapur Road. Secretary of the union, Maimom Anil, warned of dire consequences if they continue such harassment. Anil also condemned the dismissal of all Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union as a registered body by the vehicle owners. He maintains that the union is recognized by All India Trade Union and has been a part of all its annual meetings. Addressing media persons at the union's office in MG Avenue today, Maimom Anil also stated that complying with an order issued by the High Court of Manipur, the union is carrying out goods transportations along National Highway No. 37, Imphal-Jiribam Road with a DC's order. He condemned those who once pressurized the DC concerned that vehicles will be loaded with goods above the prescribed weight in defiance of the High Court's order along Imphal-Jiribam Road have now, on the contrary, started alleging that overweight goods vehicles along Imphal-Dimapur Road are about to cave in the road. Anil reiterated that these vehicle owners concerned cannot harass the drivers along the national highways in such manner. It may be mentioned that All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union has earlier reported that certain cement and steel businessmen along National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road confiscated trucks, challans and detained truck drivers above law on June 20. Members and Vice President of the union, H. Kulamani, were among those present at the press meet.
All India Trade Union Makada Northeast Natana, but Pumana, Sai Kudingi, National Conference Kudimakta, Manipuriana, Nordiskiona, all Manipur Road Transport Drivers and the Motor Worker Union have a sea, Ngasibauda, Sai Kudingi on a Pang Toka, Convention Kudimakta, saruk yaduna laglibani adu makoina khangdega hairakpasi tasengna driver singmi singbu usittabamni haibasi union na logdaba ngamoi union si karino haibasi gi pakhum si chapchana ekoi union na pine noi dong to su sem saduna leire masigi makhata na driver singda ekoi harassment toraklaba driver singi awa phamda tahalakpu taragadi masigi daita pumba masa masana logjagadabani masida union na daita amta logjaroi union bu adagi driver singbu sinmi singbu karisu udaboi mongda tawbasi union na achauba kandem tawi.
The 17th Great June Uprising Unity Day 2018 Observation Committee in a press release expressed gratitude to all the elderly citizens, teachers, businessmen, government offices, private institutions for their monetary assistance and other forms of support for successful execution of the event on June 18. The committee also expressed hope that people of Manipur will continue to stand united and protect the integrity of the state. The 10-day Applique Art of Manipur workshop under the theme Sinai Londa Liba, organized by Heritage Foundation of Mankind, concluded at its complex in Sangai Pro Mamang Lekai today. Speaking at the closing event of the workshop, sponsored by Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur, Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Meina asserted that it is high time to preserve and patent the art designs of the state. He said, despite being a small state, Manipur does not lag behind in any field in comparison with other states. Meina said the handlooms, the art design of the state is very unique and also attracts the outsiders. However, it is important to preserve these art designs in order to prevent it from being plagiarized. The Lok Sabha MP also maintains that the workshops will help to inspire the creativity of those in the fields of handlooms and textiles. Director of Handloom and Textiles Lamli Kamei, Padma Shri Langolakpam Subadini and many others attended the closing event.
Ariba portion kara patent tawe aduga patent taw kayam lay masi patent taw ba sarkar na teng pambi dana khang ngai am taw masi am dakar oi kedam na koi poloi ni koi sanai ba jagoi ra social ba koi lo social ba poloi si president jaga amata de koi u phangdi koi na tin siga koi to patent taw ba aduga kedam na itu wali saja bani koi gi madam suruni ga wali saga de koi khamen chapa koi gi han gi sanai khara di koi mai sen na tham siam sangai.
The 10th death anniversary of Kongrai Lakpam Ibohal Sharma, the pioneer of Manipur cinema, who set up the first film institute in Manipur, will be observed tomorrow. Ibohal is the cinematographer and cameraman of Manipuri feature film Imagi Ningthem, which won the International Grand Prix Award for Best Feature Film at Nantes Festival 1982 in France. The memorial event will be jointly organized by Film Institute Manipur and Critics Association Manipur at Usha Cinema Hall in Pauna Bazaar. Addressing media persons in connection with the memorial observance at Usha Cinema Hall today, President of Critics Association Manipur L. Surjakanta stated that K. Ibohal started his initial venture in Manipuri cinema by doing in-depth research and experiments with camera and films. In his lifetime, he mentored his upcoming generation in the field of arts and cinema, especially on cameras. Surjakanta also mentioned that Ibohal was a filmmaker, producer, cameraman, screenplay writer, as well as a cinematographer. The President of Critics Association Manipur said the memorial observance is a tribute to Ibohal for all his contributions and achievements.
Generation sigi film that tawre bangawje khudemna kiyo Ibohal kanano se kala lapna kawgi kum tawi adu nising tharum chida yin punna khoi saruk yaminaraga bagum Ibohal gi maram na ba khangmina ba si tangai phadi haina khalaga Film Institute Manipur Amadi Critic Association ani na khosam naraga bangdok zawde duri ba tharum chida film nuksi biba pau jo biba khudemang na lempirek tana saruk yabi waina request tawse.
Aromatic Medicinal Plants and Socio-Economic Development Society Sagolban and Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region organized an awareness program on organic farming at Khausabung village in Churatanpur district today. Speaking on the occasion, Project Director of MOMA Devadatta Sharma advised the organic farmers in the state to carry out agricultural procedures sincerely to enhance the production of organic fruits and vegetables. He stated that the use of harmful chemicals during cultivation makes the produce toxic and encouraged the farmers to use organic fertilizers and insecticides.
Karigumba chemical yaw mathyangraba matung manau amuk hanna bayat amat dalok lebiuya. So in order to set our future, in order to bring a benefit to the future farmers, aikoigi laiba lamsigi laiba future da lakadoriba farmers singi marai boksik karina lepto de haibisida organic tawrugidi akoi truthful ta honest ta.
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM in a press release notified that the meeting on discussion of COSEM's Class 12 history syllabus, which was postponed on account of flood situation in the state, has been rescheduled to be held on July 4 and 5 at its office. A 3-day fourth Gateway Abroad International Education Expo kicked off at Nupi Lal Complex in Sanakhya, Yaimakolub today. The expo is jointly organized by AS Education Trust and Parents Association for Manipuri International Students, Manipur. Speaking at the inaugural event, Managing Director of AS Education Trust, Dr. Rakib, stated that the expo is being organized every year since 2015 with an objective to provide career guidance and details of colleges and institutions to students who wish to study abroad. He said representatives of various colleges from different countries will provide details and opportunities available at the colleges. Rakib stated that the expo will help in solving the difficulties facing the students studying abroad. Delegates from various renowned universities and medical colleges of Bangladesh, China, Philippines, Kazakhstan, Russia and Georgia are taking part in the expo. Vice President of Indian Doctors of Peace and Development IDPD and former Minister Dr. N. Nara also attended the inaugural event.
Mainly, emphasis is kari marang mina matam chahi khudingi khoi Manipur thengnariba college sing se mahum chadaba angang sing chenthor chahi khudingi chenthorpa college country di yam chenthorpa thengnare se akhoi barrier se leitana ba akhoi college sing faculty sing akhoi college ki managing director ma'am se akhoi Manipur da kora aba matung da mogi lady meba marak sida akhoi differentiate leiba ma'am se adu ma'am da leitana ba parents ke student interaction tawra matung da akhoi da moida pibina ba akhoi importance of education haiba ma'am se sisi thambina bi dam akhoi chahi khuding pangthokpane ba.
Executive Engineer of PWD Imphal East Division in a press release clarified that the amount of money sanctioned to the contractors involved in the construction of road from Yumnam Patlo Chingjil to Sagolmang were the running bills given to them of their work. The Executive Engineer also stated that no fund has been sanctioned for construction of RCC slab culvert at Yumnam Patlo as the construction work has not yet started. Successful students of Sugnu constituency with a 70 pass percentage in the recently declared Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations conducted by BOSEM, COSEM and CBSE were felicitated today. Altogether, 123 students, including the 4th position holder of the Class 10 board examination, Huidrom Rohit Kumar, were felicitated in the 10th Encouragement Award program sponsored by MLA Sugnu Kangujam Ranjit in the name of his late father, Kangujam Mohori, at Chingtam Community Hall, Sugnu today. MLA Ranjit presented a cash award of 50,000 rupees to Huidrom Rohit Kumar and assured of providing him a sum of 3,000 rupees every month until he completes Class 12. MLA Bishnupur Govindas Konthaujam and MLA Nambol Namairakpam Loken, who attended the event, also presented a cash prize of 20,000 rupees each to Huidrom Rohit Kumar. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Govindas maintained that education plays a vital role in shaping the future of the society. He advised all students to pursue their goals diligently and not to get distracted by short-term whims and temptations. He lamented that in the past, students used to bow to the teachers as a mark of utter reverence. However, such culture is no longer evident in the present generation.
Harakanda, Pung Toba, Zagoi Toba, Isai Toba, Aduga Kuyi, Moibung Kongba, Aduga Tangta, Sanava Muising se, Magi, Ozasing Sigi, Makong so Kurumbase, Nasifa with the Queen Ubangeba. Matamama de Ozaguru sings the Kong Pira Kurum Narameba. Aduba Satrana, Ozada, Damkataromi Habagumba, Oza Purami Habagumba, a single Mustava Matamda, a quasi Tamoyam Nuazadeva. Quasi Pung Papa me, among Nabagi Damakta. Tumambadagi Hodokiriba, Adugumba, Guru Singduda, a queen of Bevara Kaiba Matora, boy, there have a say, Kanjava Matamda, a quick civilization say, backwater lak labra, Ford water pangam drabra, Highway Wakalama, a quite the power.
Vice President of Kishan Morcha Manipur Pradesh, Dr. Ketrimeyum Kala, in collaboration with Sawambung Gas Agency, distributed free cooking gas connections to beneficiaries under Ujwala scheme in Kundrakpam constituency for the 8th time today. Speaking at the event held at the residence of Dr. Ketrimeyum Kala in Pangai, Lok Sabha MP Ketrimeyum Bhavananda maintains that people have availed the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana, the most among the numerous schemes launched by the BJP government for the welfare of the people during its 4 years of governance. Dr. Ketrimeyum Kala maintained that the gas connections were distributed to altogether 1,020 beneficiaries in the constituency, 800 connections in the 7th program and 220 connections in the 8th distribution program. He further appeals to the public to cooperate in utilizing such benefits provided by the center and the state for the welfare of the people. Flood-affected victims of Poire Khonjin in Andhra constituency were provided drinking water today. Public Health Engineering Department, Imphal East Village Water and Sanitation Committee, Top Chingtha Yaripok and All Yaripok Water Tanker Team jointly distributed the drinking water under the supervision of Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar. 17 water tankers were utilized to distribute around 70,000 liters of water to the flood-affected people. One-day legal awareness program was held at 2 different places in Moray today. The awareness program was organized by District Legal Services Authority, Chandel, in association with All Moray Shinmi Loop and Apunba Ima Loop Moray under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority. The 2 events were held at Nupi Khunai Chaukat Lamjing Loop's office and Khanongpok Apunba Nupi Loop office. Speaking on human rights and relationships between police and public at the event, Advocate Dhane stressed the need to raise awareness on legal rights and law among the people. While officer in charge Moray Police Station, Letkahau Waipei, stated that mob justice was once very prevalent and the police officers were also insufficient in discharging their duties. However, the close bond between the people and the police personnel have reduced the amount of crimes in the last 2 to 3 years. Manipur State Legal Services Authority organized Lok Adalat for settlement of various pre-litigation matters of HDFC Bank Imphal at Cherab Court Complex today. The Lok Adalat bench, comprising of Civil Judge Imphal West Ojes Mutum, Advocate H. Raghumani and Advocate B. Supriya, settled a total of 28 cases. The cases comprise of loan recovery matters and credit card dues, with total settlement amounting 9,33,774 rupees. A district-level extempore speech competition for students of class 8 to 10 on listening to the children is the first step to help them grow healthy and safe. In connection with International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2018 on June 26 was held at the auditorium of IRDEO Wangbal today. Speaking at the event organized by District Social Welfare Department, Thobal, Deputy Commissioner Thobal Haubam Roshita said the rate of drug abuse among children has increased in the state. She stressed the need to guide them to the right path by understanding their desire. The Chief Minister will hand over the prizes to the winners of today's competition at an event in Imphal on June 26. Now the sports news. As observed across the globe, Manipur Olympic Association also organized Olympic Day run at the courtyard of Olympic Bhavan at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Many teachers and sportspersons from various sports associations in the state participated in the program. International Olympic Committee was formally established on June 23, 1894 through the efforts of Pierre de Coubertin, who promoted competitive sports as the revival of ancient Olympic Games. The 42nd International Olympic Committee session was held at St. Moritz, Switzerland, participated by Austria, Belgium, Canada, Great Britain, Greece, Portugal, Switzerland, Uruguay and Venezuela, determined to mark this day as the birthday of the committee. The first Olympic Day run was held in June 23, 1987, over a distance of 10 kilometers with 45 participating national Olympic committees. In 2006, there were 161 NOCs promoting Olympic Day run to their countrymen. Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur Y. Joy Kumar, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, Sports Minister Letpao Haukib, many eminent personalities in the field of sports and sports lovers of the state attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar appeals to the citizens of the state to support the sportspersons and the coaches who play a significant role in bringing recognition to the state in the world of sports and to generate better players in the future.
Sanaba ise ko yam darka oi sanabadegi kailai discipline develop tore health pare adu sunatana sanabagi snida sense of competition sisu develop tore hai upunamak se as a human being amoina tasingna successful oiba adu koi society da contribute to bangam gadwa adu myo emo igi haip tagidi hai riba jiki aspect me amama masi koi develop to darka oi adu sports na any type of sports maybe any discipline si yarisi sugumba gi develop tawna ba dugumba yawbani madu koi ningsing si.
Jiribam Olympic Association also held Olympic Day run in Jiribam district today. Superintendent of Jiribam District Police MPS M. Mubi, President of Olympic Jiribam Association M. Brajakanta and Pradhan of Dibong Gram Panchayat R.K. Nobisana attended the event. Taking part in the event, M. Brajakanta stated that the day is being observed in remembrance of the founder of Olympic, Peredi Kubutan. He maintained that Jiribam Olympic Association is undertaking various measures to develop and promote various games and sports in Jiribam district. MPS M. Mubi asserted that Jiribam has been participating in various fields of games and sports right from the time it was a subdivision. Stating that Jiribam is a district now, he appeals for cooperation to develop the district further in the field of sports. While Pradhan R.K. Nobisana mentioned that Jiribam has many outdoor playgrounds, but there is no indoor facility. And as such, he appeals to the people to jointly put in efforts to construct indoor platforms. MPS M. Mubi flagged off Olympic Day run from Jiribam Imakaitel. Many veteran players, including women players, police personnel, and representatives of various clubs and CSOs took part in the run. One-day Mahindra 6A side football league was played at Kago Artificial Turf Ground, Airport Road today. Football teams divided into two groups. Team A comprising of football teams from Kakching, Nambol, Thanga, and Team B from Khongampat, Segmai, Thanga, Oto, Hairok, Maharabi and Kumbi took part in the football league organized by Mahindra and Mahindra for employees of commercial segment in the state like Bolero Pickup, Supro Heavy Duty Series and Jito Mahindra. Regional Scale Manager Arnav Rai Chaudhary, Marketing Manager Suvo Ghosh, Assistant Sales Manager Anjan Jyoti Barua and executives of Chiefs Autotech Mahindra and Mahindra took part in the launching of the tournament. General Manager of Chiefs Autotech Dealer Mahindra and Mahindra, Shitaljit Thangjam, stated that Mahindra and Mahindra acknowledges and lauds the sports potential of the state and it has been offering assistance for the sports persons of the state. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipuri Sahitya Parishad celebrates its 84th Foundation Day. Minister Karam Sham promises to allot land for construction of hall for Writers' Rendezvous. Members of MPCC, including National Chief of All India Congress Evadul Lalji Desai, take out protest rally, alleged BJP government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi of massive corruption. An Olympic Day run held at the courtyard of Olympic Bhavan in Kumanlampak Sports Complex today.